Rhiana's Toy Review.
Hi. What do you have?
I have some. We're going to big, like this big.
I have a Melisando pounding bench. This is $9 on sale from, it's a clearance sale from Walmart. Did you go to Walmart, my love?
Yeah.
Alright. With Daddy. Are you ready to play now, huh?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah.
This is a hammer.
Uh-huh.
This is a table.
Okay.
The table will be dead broken.
Okay. Want to open it now?
Yeah.
Yay! This is the pounding bench from Melisando. Wow, my love, you have a rainbow color. Oh. Beep, 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 beep.
Put it up.
Okay. Oh. What's pounding bench from Melisando? Oh no, this is too loud, my love. Oh no. Red, purple, green. We have pink, blue, orange, yellow, orange, yellow, and sky blue.
Oh no.
Dum. Oh, if you found the other one will go up too. It's a never-ending pounding bench. Alright, where is green? Alright, where is yellow?
No, don't press yellow.
Okay, don't press yellow. Where is red? Alright. Where is pink? Alright. And swap.
Pink,
Blue.
pink,
And then pink. Okay, push the pink.
red,
Red. The red will go up.
purple,
Purple. And green. Over there. This is so cute.
Bye.
Bye.
One coming.
Uh-huh. Yes, that's a rainbow color. May love. Oh.
How's the hammer?
No. Bye.
Stamp. Da.